Hi, today I'm going to show you the Naviate Plant Data. The Plant Data function is a way of reading information from a CSV file that you can see when you open the dialog, and then we can apply the data straight onto any object in your drawing. At the top you can select the CSV files that are available to you, and you can select the object in the top list. The property set is already selected, and I can also place a label straight away as I add the information. I can click on any object in my drawing, and then I get to select where the schedule should be placed. And I can repeat this for as many objects as I like. It comes back to the dialog, so I can select another object and place that one. I don't need to select the schedule table if I don't want to. If I only have the information on the object, it is viewed on the Properties palette on the Extended tab, so you can see the information there. If I want to place a label afterwards, I can use the function called Create Schedule Table Label and select an object, and then I can select the label that I want to use. Here I can set my text height, but I also have the option of placing the label, having a rotation, and I can also set a multi-leader for my object. If I have multiple objects in my drawing, I can also place a table with the same functionality. So if I start the function and I select multiple objects with the property set on top of it, I can then select my plant data table instead, add a table to my drawing, and place it in my drawing, and I get it. And all of these labels and tables, of course, automatically update if anything changes in my drawing. Thank you for watching.